I never thought this cabbage recipe would be pizza. Let's get right into it. We're going to need half a cabbage. Cut it into strips just like I'm doing. I'm using a grater. I find it more practical, but you can use a knife too. Place the cabbage in a bowl. Add 3 eggs. Season with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well. I'd love to know which city you're watching me from. In a pan, add a tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Pour in the mixture and spread it evenly across the pan. What other ingredient would you add to this recipe? I'd love to hear your suggestion. Cover the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now just flip it over. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce on top and spread it out. I'm adding cheese, about 5 ounces, and 4 slices of bacon. You can use chopped bacon too, it works great. But today, I'm going with slices. I already fried them beforehand, all right? Cover the pan again and let it cook for another 10 minutes so the cheese gets nice and melty. Our recipe is ready. Look how delicious it turned out. Super easy to make and absolutely delicious. What would you do differently? That bacon smell is amazing. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in our next recipe. It's delicious. Enjoy!